Hi guys, Baban on PC here. Today I want to talk to you about becoming a Twitch affiliate and how much money you can actually make as a beginning streamer and a Twitch affiliate on Twitch. Um, if you click on this video, I'm pretty sure you're interested in that. You may also know the requirements, but if not, I will talk to you about the requirements to become a Twitch affiliate. So, to become a Twitch affiliate, you need to reach at least 50 followers. You need to stream for 8 hours and more in 1 month. You need to stream on 7 different days in 1 month. And you need to have an average of 3 viewers or more. So once you meet those requirements, you become eligible to join the affiliate program on Twitch. And you will need to fill out tax information and stuff, and you will be ready to go. But once you got that finished, now we need to talk about how much money you could expect to make as a small streamer, a new streamer. Well, I started streaming in December of 2020, and I became an affiliate on the 1st of April this month. And I will show you how much money I made as my first Twitch payout. So let's jump into that. First, let me show you how long it took me to actually get my first payout. And we can go here in the top right. If you click on your little icon, go to Creator Dashboard, go to Insights, Channel Analytics. So like you guys can see here, it took me basically 2 months to get my first payout. You have to understand, Twitch will only pay you out if you reach the threshold of $100 or more. So sometimes it will take you, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, who knows. And once your stream is growing, you will probably end up making the $100 threshold sooner. If you look on here, since March 31st and until May 31st, I averaged about 8 viewers. I got 168 follows during that period, 58 subs, and I earned about $152 during this time. I streamed for 278 hours in those 2 months. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see here that I earned $151.72 in that time. So paid subs, I got 9 paid subs and I got $14.66 for it. Prime subs, these are basically, if you have Amazon Prime and you are not subscribed to somebody else on Twitch, like you can link your Amazon Prime account with your Twitch account and you can sub to somebody, one of your favorite streamer, for free. So it will cost you nothing, and the streamer does actually make a little bit of money from it. So I made $27.94 in Prime subs during the 2 months. Then we have gifted subs. I had 33 gifted subs in those 2 months. I made $56 from it. Ads, these I made about $1 for ads, with actually 95 cents in ads. I don't like ads. I would love they do not exist, but they pop up on their own, so I can do nothing about it. So I made $1 in 2 months for ads. Cheering, this is basically the bit interaction. Like bits is essentially Twitch money. You purchase bits, then you can send it to somebody as and they count as cheering. So I made, I think, almost the most amount of money by cheering. So I got $52 in bits during the 2 months. Game sales and all of this stuff I don't have. I think only the really, really big streamers make some money here, but I don't even know how that works actually. So this is what I made in 2 months, and this is what my first Twitch payout was. I will show you now my payouts, which is right here. So you can see here payout balance in US dollar pre-tax. Last update May 31st. So we started on March 31st and it took me 2 months to reach the $100+ threshold. Now, as you saw before, I made $151 during that period, but for some reason I got paid out $138. So I don't know what happened to some of those dollars. What happened with them? Did they went missing, or I have no idea actually. The $138 equals to 110 euro. Since euro is my, I want to say native, I'm not even sure if that's a real word, like native currency. So I made 110, almost 111 euros in 2 months. Your donations, if you get PayPal donations, they don't count towards these stats here. The PayPal donations will go straight to your bank account. And let me show you how much money I made in these 2 months from PayPal donations. So, like we see here on Streamlabs, I made in PayPal donations $31 in the 2 months. So, month is March 2021 till May 2021. So, $31. So, in total, I made 141 euro in the 2 months, which is, I guess, not too bad. 141 euro equals to about $168.28. So that's the complete amount of money that I got from streaming. So being a Twitch affiliate on all the PayPal donations that I have gotten during the 2 months. So yeah, guys. I hope, guys, this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more updates on how streaming is progressing with me and other tutorials on my YouTube channel. Also, I stream about 4 or 5 days weekly on Twitch, and I will leave a link in the description down below. So feel free to check out my little community there. Also, I have a great Discord server where you can meet people. If you want to find some friends to play with, you can check out also my Discord. So yeah, guys, thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.